the island over there? Hindi tayo doon pupunta. Joke lang.
Diba?
Joke lang. Doon nga. The boat? Kuya, ano ba pangalan ng island? Sumilon?
At kuya,
Are those
they have
welcome drinks? Kuya din? Thank you. Thank you. Cheers. Cheers to you all. Cheers.
The rest way.
Straight.
50 years na daw. Tapos ngayon lang natin narinig to. Goes to show na ang dami pang pwedeng puntahan dito sa Pilipinas. Right?
Yes, sir.
Sabi ko, I mean, I'm well-traveled. I know where to go because of the travel show. Pero pinag-usapan namin ako, oh man, this is my first time.
Sumilon Island. Nanggaling ang pangalan nito sa salitang sumilong. Ito ang takbuhan kasi ng mga mangingisda sa tuwing inaabutan sila ng bagyo.
This is what you call an all-terrain golf cart. This is the first in the Philippines. It's a golf cart made not for golf.
Not for golf. The words of the famous Rayo Chavez say, "Agree! Agree!"
Warriors! Enjoy the only resort on the island, the Sumilon Blue Water Resort.